Hello guys, welcome back with another video. It's going to be short unboxing video, as well as I'm going to test the product as well. This is the USB Type-C Hub Pro. The brand name is Falwedi. I don't know how you want to pronounce Falwedi. All the specs you can see here. It's for multi-platform compatible, which means it will work with a wide range of operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS. It installs automatically once you connect it to your laptop, so you can be up and running in seconds. Simply plug the attached USB-C cable into any available USB-C port on your device, and the hub is ready for your external accessories. Each port supports over current protection. Both your devices and hub are protected from power surges. So the feature is USB-C port, power delivery port, 3.5mm audio mic, 2-in-1 port, 3x standard USB 3.0 5 Gbps, HDMI output up to 4K, RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port, USB 3.0 SD and TF slot, and VGA female. Wow, they got a lot of connections available on this. So I have the older one here, no brand, it's a generic brand. I have the HDMI port, one USB port, one USB-C, two USB port on this side, and the SD card. So that's all I have, and it's very light USB-C port connections. Basically you connect this on your laptop and charge from here and use your extended USB 3.0 port. And this is the micro SD card and the plus the SD card and the HDMI port. This was my old one. Let's check out the new one. All right, let's see, let's unbox this. Okay, cool. So there's just the paperwork, Falwedi instruction manual, and there's a card right here. All right, and this one piece right here. All right, that's the brand, Falwedi, USB-C, and connection over here, one USB 3.0 TF micro SD card, SD card. On this side, RJ45 VGA port. On this side, you got HDMI, two USB 3.0, one USB-C. See that? Plus the headphone jack over here, including the microphone 2-in-1. Wow, there are a lot of port available. So 1, 2, 3 USB port, one HDMI port, one VGA port, one RJ45, one SD card, micro SD card, and another USB port right here, and plus the headphone jack. Isn't that cool, guys? A lot of connections available. Same size. I think it's bigger than what I have right now. This one is a little longer than this one, the older one, and but more ports available on this one. So basically, once I have this, I really don't need this anymore. Unless I want an extra connection, I can connect that to USB-C again and make it extra connection. But once I have this, that's all. I don't need it anymore. All right, I have a laptop here where it supports USB port, a USB-C connection right here, and then I can use the other connection. All right, let me see if I can charge my computer, and let's see if that works. All right, so let's see if I charge here. That's supposed to go more brighter. The screen's supposed to go more brighter if that works. Oh, it went dimmer and more. I didn't know that, but let's see if it's charging or not. All right, you can see it right here. So plugged in, charging. So it is charging, so that means it's working fine. So I can connect more stuff, but I don't have it available. Let's try something else. Alright, so I'm going to try my Galaxy Watch charger from this port, and let's see if that works. Okay, now let me show you from this way, and let me charge here. There you go. So it does work. So how do you like it? So if you like my video, I think that's all for today. And if you like my video, please go ahead, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll also put a link of this product where you can purchase from. I bought it from Amazon. It's a little bit expensive, but this is a little cheaper, but that one definitely worth the money because you have a lot of connection, including VGA port, because this is my Ultrabook where I don't have any VGA or HDMI port available on this computer. So definitely it does adds up, including the Ethernet port. At some moment probably you might need that Ethernet port as well, where you don't have a Wi-Fi but you have the wired connections somewhere, and including the headphone jack. I know it's optional, but I do have that jack on my laptop. But some laptop you might not have it, but that's really gonna work. All right, thank you so much guys for watching, and I will come up with a new video again, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon next to it if you're new to this channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you, and bye bye.